Hey guys, Trades Action Plus here. Today I just want to talk about Tesla stock. After hours, they announced a 5-to-1 stock split, which will give you approximately 5 shares for every 1 share of the stock that you own now. I think going into tomorrow, you'll definitely see a big rise after hours. I'm guessing probably about a 7 to 10% bump. If you look at stocks like Apple stock, you'll see that after they announced the stock split, that the following day and the following week ahead, they probably shot up about 10 to 15% in the stock price. So I wouldn't doubt to see that with the Tesla stock, especially since it made a high back here in July before the earnings of about, I would say, $17.90 a share. So I would not be surprised to see it at least go up about $150 to $200 on this news. But looking at the overall trend of Tesla stock, you can see that after the earnings on this chart, it's basically chopping in this pattern right here and trending downward. It's basically pulling the 9, trending under the 9 EMA, going all the way down from the earnings point till the recent lows. You'll also see the RSI is very low, so it's definitely an oversold stock here on the 1-hour chart. And you'll see here on the 1-day chart, looking at a longer view of the using the 20 EMA, you'll see that we have strong support here, the 1350 level. So I think that with the stock split announcement, this will definitely go a lot higher. It's not, it's not a guaranteed rise in the stock price, but I think it definitely will. I think as long as we stay above this average, I think we'll be doing good. We're way past the earnings date, so there really isn't anything I would think that would really rock this stock, and unless anything crazy happens. I know that Tesla right now has competition from Workhorse and from NIO. NIO's based in China. Workhorse is based here in the United States. Workhorse makes a really nice truck. It's an EV powered truck. I personally think the Workhorse truck is nicer than the Tesla truck. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but I feel like the Tesla trucks look a little bit too futuristic for the common working man that uses trucks. For the cars though, I think NIO definitely gives Tesla a run for their money on the quality of their cars and the way their cars look. I think they're similar to Tesla cars, but they just look, the SUV and the car just looks a little bit more futuristic and more streamlined, and some of the features are really nice on the NIO cars. I also think that there is a risk with holding NIO shares. Since it's a Chinese held company here in the United States, there's a risk where they can always be delisted, like some of the other Chinese stocks that are based on the market here. So there's definitely that risk that you're carrying forward owning NIO stock in the long term. I think in the short term you might not have a problem with it, but NIO stocks looks like it's had quite a bit of a run. It was trading around the $4 price range, and that's when I picked it up about a few months back, and since that point it ran up to the $12, $13 a share point. I took some profits off the table and then sold the rest when it dipped down to 11, which I wish I shouldn't. I wish I wouldn't have, but it never hurts to take profits. So I do plan on maybe buying NIO again soon. I just don't think that right now. I think it's kind of overdone at this point. The news from Tesla though might shoot NIO shares up, just like some of the EV plays when they announce a change, like a positive change. It usually creates positive vibe for the other EV stocks. I also think that we might get a lift too if the Democratic Party gets in the office, because I think they're more they lean more towards green technology and some of the EV plays. So long term, I'm definitely a Tesla holder. I think here we're looking really good on the long term. The stock is definitely oversold at this point. I think Tesla is definitely a name that's here to stay in the long run, and I think once they do this stock split, I think we'll get a lot of the Robinhood traders in, people that are really looking to get in the stock but just can't afford that high price. So let me know what you think in the comments there in the bottom, and please give me a like. Thank you.